In this video, we'll be demonstrating the enhanced import functions for review mappings and Metareview mappings. And this is probably the most complicated import process, and it's also the most difficult process to find valid import data for based on the development database. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us and we'll assist you. So we'll be importing data for reviewers for these two teams, Team Blinkers and Team 97. Which, since they are teams of one, are actually just identified by the student usernames. And for this example, we'll show the standard variation of import with a file that has headers in the expected order. And similar to teams, you'll notice we've included a radio button for column order, since it's just a binary option between leading or trailing contributors in a row. And as we can see, the imports have successfully gone through, with Team Blinkers having the appropriate reviewers and Team 97 having the appropriate reviewers. For this example, we'll show an inverse variation of the last by importing a file that has no header and that has a trailing contributor in each row. As you can see, our notice at the top now accurately reflects the inverse order. And despite the lack of a header in correct order, the reviewers have been assigned appropriately as in the last example. For this example, we'll be showing the import process for the Metareviewer mappings. And similar to reviewers, we have two options. The reviewer and contributor is the first two columns or the last two columns of rows. And for good measure, we'll be showing a variation that has a header but has the rows in an unexpected order. And as you can see, the meta reviewers have properly been imported and assigned. And for our final example, we'll show the last permutation, which is a file with no header, but in the correct order. And again, the meta reviewers have been properly imported and assigned.